So if you are still seeing something like this, conversions one, uh, and you are like seeing no conversions on your Google Ads account, so what you have to do in this video, I will be explaining you on three things you can do to improve your conversions on Google Ads. But before I start, I want you to subscribe to this channel because I've been creating videos and I can see that people are watching my videos, but I don't know why they are not subscribing me. Subscription does not cost you anything, but it means a lot to me and gives me a lot of motivation to create videos like this. So in case if you want videos like me, this to keep like if you want me to keep on creating like videos like these which can help you in shifting your conversions from this to something like this conversions or this conversions, what you have to do is you have to follow me and then follow the three tips which I'm going to tell you in this video. And let's start with the first thing. And first thing is to improve on your landing page. And a perfect landing page, I have even given example on my blog as well. Let me share you with you as well. Okay, so you can see this is as an example, a landing page with a headline, attractive video, and then a click here or a form over here. An attractive landing page is very necessary because we are spending money to for each visitor to land on our website, so our experience should be optimized, which is why I'm showing you this example. And after you are done with improving your landing page, because what if your campaign is A1, everything is well optimized and you are not converting well, maybe your landing page or your offer has a problem. If you're not having a good offer as compared to your competitors, then you can be in trouble as well. And then you need to refine your targeting, and targeting means you need to narrow down it rather making a bigger audience. Create focus on a small audience and understand what they are thinking or what is their expectations on your website. You can even consider installing heat map to determine either they do like your website or not, or which part of your website gives them more attraction. So that is also very important. And third is to keep on optimizing your ad copy and visuals. You never know what may work for you. For a client, for every client, and every industry, things are different and every visual have a different meaning. One thing you may like and your visitors do not, so you cannot be sure or certain on what exactly your customers are looking for you. So keep on trying and optimize your visuals as compared to your competitors are your best teachers, and learn from them, because if they are successful for a reason, and that is the strategy you just need to follow, and you have to be get successful on Google Ads. So just follow these tips. Follow these three tips in case if you're not getting good conversions or if you're not getting conversions at all on Google Ads. I hope you like this video. Once again, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye bye.